design HP logo using Corel 2021. In this lesson, you will learn how to design HP logo, and you will learn how to install a font into your system, and it will display automatically in your CorelDRAW as well. Whether you are using Corel 12, Corel, any Corel you are using, any version of Corel, it will display there. And as well, learn how to master CorelDRAW 2021, because it has some little effects which is different from previous version. Now I want to start. This is preview what we designed before, and I want to teach you how to design something look like this. I'll start to open a new page by clicking on a plus button. This is a new page, and first of all you select rectangle tools. This is the rectangle tools. You select it, then you now draw, hold left click and draw like this. Drop it, select ellipse tools, then you hold your control on your system and draw ellipse tools and leave it. Once you finish, select pick tools, highlight both together and press E on your keyboard and press C on the keyboard as well. After you have done that, click pick tools and select outside. When you do something like that, click here, select shape tools and just curve it little and drop it. After that, the next thing is to go and install. You have finished everything now. The next thing is go and to install CorelDRAW and to install font on your system. If you want to install font on your computer system, let's go to Chrome. Then you now type HP fonts download, then click enter. Then if you go to Google, the first link you see HP fonts download from font slots, then click OK on it. Then you see the website is fontlots.com. Then scroll down, you see a font designer is Mito. Then you click on download font. Close this one. Then when you click on this button, you discover Hydro Square font is already downloaded. Then you click here, you open location folder. When you open location folder, you double click on this. When you double click on it, just click extract, because the file is already shipped. Then you now select OK. After clicking OK, you see this a folder contain the fonts. You see all the fonts. Then you can highlight all of them, then right click, then select copy. When you select copy on from all the fonts, then what's next is to go to local disk C. Then you now go to window. From window you go to fonts. You see fonts, then right click on it and click paste. Then because the font is already installed on my system, and that is why it showed me that the Hydro Squad expanded font is already installed. Do you want to replace it? Let's say do this for all. I say yes to replace the font. The font is copying. So after this has already finished, then you close this one, minimize your, then come here and click font, text tools, then click OK and type HP. When you type HP, increase the size of that HP. Then come here and type Hydro you see different. You see how the font is. See how the font is. If you look at this font very well, you see that this font is look like HP font and is exactly HP font. Then what you do now, you just bring the font, come here, then resize it from this side. When you drop it, click OK at the center and come here. You see one arrow and move it to other side. Then click at the center and drag this object to this place, and you can select this box, this one, and increase it little, then move it to the left little and right little. Then let's increase this thing, let's increase it little, or I'm sorry. Then when you have something like this, let's zoom it and see. This is what you have. Then you now come to line, you select sphere and tools, then zoom your object and come here, click OK, drop. This only one object, press Ctrl D, move it to this side, click this one and move it back little, then select both at the same time and press Ctrl D, drag it, come down, little and drop it. Select this one and move it up. When you select, after you have done something like this, you come to tools and come and select smart fill tools. Click this area and click this area. When you click both, select pick tools, highlight this one, delete, and highlight this one as well, delete. Then when you delete, you select this button, this one also delete. Select this circle, inner circle, delete. Then you now click this one, give it blue, click this one, give it blue, and you select this one, give it blue as well. Then you can come here to come and highlight everything together and right, come to left side and set outline color to nothing. And this is the HP logo. This is the HP logo. I'm sorry, the video is about 7 minutes, but the reason behind the video is the time we used to download the fonts and other things. And after you have done something like this, if you come to first page, you see that our design has shadow. Then you come to this side, you select this one, click on shadow button, is located here, this is shadow. Then come here and select small, then come to this area, select black, and come to this place to reduce the shadow to small shadow. Then we have 7. Okay, then you select this one as well, you click on a shadow, you come here, you select small, then you come to this side, we say 7, enter, then you come here, we select black and we click OK. This is a normal and simple way to design HP logo within 0 to 5 seconds. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.